Cabinet painting is one of the most popular projects homeowners ask about because it can completely change the look of a kitchen or bathroom without the cost and disruption of replacing cabinets. Around Waltham and throughout Middlesex County, a lot of homes have solid cabinets that are still in good shape but look dated or worn. One of the biggest questions people ask is whether cabinet painting actually holds up. The answer depends almost entirely on preparation. Cabinets take more wear and tear than walls, so they need to be cleaned, sanded, and properly prepped before any paint goes on. Skipping those steps is usually why people hear stories about cabinets chipping or peeling. Another common question is whether it makes more sense to paint cabinets or replace them. In many homes, especially older ones, the cabinet boxes are solid wood and built better than what you'd find today. Painting allows homeowners to keep that quality while updating the look of the space. The cabinet painting process is more detailed than most people expect. Doors and drawers usually need to be removed, prepped separately, and painted in a controlled way so the finish comes out smooth and even. The frames are then prepped and painted on site. Taking the time to do this correctly is what creates a durable, professional-looking result. Homeowners also ask how long cabinet painting takes. The timeline depends on the size of the kitchen or bathroom and how much prep is needed, but cabinet projects take longer than wall painting because of the extra steps involved. We always explain the process up front so people know what to expect and can plan around it. We recently worked on a cabinet painting project where the homeowner liked the layout of their kitchen but felt it looked dark and outdated. Once the cabinets were properly prepped and painted, the entire space felt brighter and more modern without changing the countertops or layout. That's usually the biggest impact people notice. One mistake people often make is trying to rush cabinet painting or treating it like wall painting. Cabinets need more prep, better materials, and more patience. Cutting corners is usually what leads to disappointing results. For small projects, some homeowners try painting cabinets themselves, but once you factor in prep time, drying time, and finish quality, cabinet painting is often where professional experience really matters. If you're thinking about cabinet painting and want to understand whether it makes sense for your home, we're always happy to answer questions and walk through the options.